This video will cover running RLM client diagnostics. There's also a companion knowledge base article on the topic linked in the video description. Generating RLM client diagnostics starts with setting the RLM_diagnostics environment variable on your computer, and then running your application, which has RLM built in. With some operating systems, there is a graphical interface where you can set your environment variables. Here we will show you the process on a Windows system. First, open Windows Settings. Second, navigate to System About. Third, click on Advanced System Settings. Fourth, click on Environmental Variables. Finally, enter the environment variable name and value. The value of the environment variable should be the file name you would like the output of the diagnostics to go to. All operating systems should have a command line or terminal in which you can run commands. You can also set environment variables in these windows and run your applications directly. Note that the environment variable is only set in the terminal and isn't set globally for the system, so you'll need to launch your application from the same terminal that you've set the environment variable in. For Windows, use the keyword set and then set the environment variable. For Unix systems like Mac OS and Linux, use the keyword export and set the environment variable. Once the environment variable has been set, run your application. You will now be able to open and review your client diagnostics. This file is broken into 5 sections. The first section has information about the system the report was created on. The second section has the RLM-specific environment variables and lists their values. Note that these values were collected when the diagnostic report was run, and that some applications change environment variables after the diagnostic report. The environment section will also list all of the host IDs that are present on the client system. The third section contains the license files on the local system the RLM client library was able to locate. The fourth section is for software developers and has the parameters that were passed into the RLM init API call. The last section will list the licenses that can be checked out by the client application and the method the client application will use to access those licenses. This concludes this video on RLM client diagnostics. For additional information, please view our knowledge base or our documentation. Links are available in the video description.